What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see here, I have two more products from Whitestone Dome. So I have Dome Life, the contrast case, the Dome Glass Ease for the back of your Samsung Galaxy zFold3. And once again, I want to say thank you to Whitestone Dome for kindly sending me out some of your products to try out and review. I really do appreciate it. So now let's get it going. But this case, I know what this case is because I actually picked up this case not too long ago. I just didn't make a video, so I know what this case is, but we're gonna crack it open like so. It's just their Dome Ease thin case. I didn't know that Whitestone Dome made little cases now, but that's nice, you know. You are a screen protector company, so it is nice to have your own little case if you want to have your own case. And this case is okay. It's not a bad quality case. It's just nice little fabric, a nice soft fabric on it, just something thin and light if you want something thin, but a little, if you want something with a little bit of protection, not anything too bulky, you can use their case. I'll drop a link to their website and a link to Amazon to where you can purchase Whitestone Dome products. So now, yes, this case has adhesive strips all around it, so I'm going to peel off all of these adhesive strips. If I can, I'm going to peel off all the adhesive strips. Just peel off all the adhesive strips so that way you get a better fit on your device is what it's for, a better fit. So when you are opening up your device, it does not slide. But I'm just going to peel off the adhesive strips from this front case, because usually the cases for the zFold3s, no matter what company I seem to get, the back case fits on snugger, real snug, and it's the front case that gives you problems, that likes to slip off and stuff. So for now, we're just going to peel off the strips for the back, for the front case. And for the sake of the video, I'm just going to leave the adhesive on the front case, the back case. If I can get it off, you have to have some nails. So if you don't have nails, good luck. Okay, so all the adhesive is currently off the front display. So you want to pick up your zFold3 here, and you just want to place it on like so. Just make sure everything lines up. And like I said, from when I had this case before, it was a nice fit. Didn't have to worry about it. It is case friendly, but just be careful how you put it on, because it just now did lift up my screen protector just a tad bit. As you can see, it's lifting up my screen protector, so just be careful. Okay, there we go. Now I have a better fit. So this is what it will look like once you have it on your phone. Like I said, this is a minimal, thin looking, nice looking look. And this is the back. So the back, yes, the back does not have adhesive strips on there because the back fits on snug. So you just place it in like so, just like that. And now you have a nice screen protector, from Whitestone Dome on the front. And you also have a nice case from Whitestone Dome on the back. Like I said, this is thin, so you are not getting a lot of lip. You're not getting a lot of lip. But this is just nice if you want something light and minimal for your Samsung Galaxy zFold3. But overall, I do like this case. I think they did a good job coming out with a case, you know. Some people might rag on the case, but hey, at least they tried, and at least they came out with a case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it works the way it should work. It fits on just like that, and I like the way it feels. It has a nice feel to it. So that's just a thin minimum look for your Z Fold 3. So now we're going to put on that camera screen protector. So I'm going to currently take my Z Fold 3 out of the case for now, close it up, turn it over, and now this is the product for the back. They sent me the 2-pack. Hopefully I don't mess this up because the model's been messing things up today. But hopefully I don't mess this up. Just gonna open it. They do have this on here pretty tight because there are stickers. I'll open this up behind the camera. Let me get my unboxing knife actually. Okay, so it's hard to open because there are actually some stickers in the case, in this case housing. So you just want to get those up like so. Once you do that, now you should be able to easily pry this open. Bear with me, I'm excited and just trying to get it done. Okay, so now we have everything here. Your instructions showing you how to put it on there. Please read your instructions so you don't mess up anything like I did. You get your wet wipe. If you want to use your wet wipe, you can use the wet wipe. I don't think I will need that. You get your dust removable stickers, and you get the little housing for the camera. So this just goes around your camera. I peeled the tape off. It just goes around your camera to give it a little bit of more protection. You just want to line it up. Just line it up. Hold on. Just want to line it up with everything. Make sure it's all in action. If it's not perfect, you can fix it if you're a kind of person that has to have things spot on. But as you can see, that's what it looks like. It just gives you more protection around the camera housing of your device. And now you are good to go. So now we have a Whitestone Dome film screen protector on, the Whitestone Dome case on, and a Whitestone Dome camera protector on, and you're good to go. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.